Hey kids, today we learn things start with J.
J is for jacket.
J is for jelly.
J is for journal. J is for jigsaw. J is for jet. J is for jewelry. J is for jar. J is for jam. J is for juice. J is for jungle. J is for jellyfish. J is for javelin. J is for jazz. J is for jaguar. J is for juniper. J is for jasmine. J is for jade. J is for jacuzzi. J is for jockey. J is for jute. J is for jumper. J is for junk. J is for jury. J is for jester. J is for jukebox.